Spice is giving away $1 million.
I'm just checking in with you guys to let you know that it's official. I'm giving away 1 million Jamaican dollars to the baddest go down there whiner.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, before we get started today, I just want to say that if you're looking for Dancehall IG on Instagram, the page is no longer there. The page got disabled by Instagram. So until we figure out what go on, there's no Dancehall IG on Instagram. So anybody where I feel like me block them or me unfollow them or anything like that, is nothing like that, all right? We just go through some little, you know what I mean, Instagram thing right now until it figure out more me gonna know what go on. I also want to take the opportunity to say thank you to all of the people that will reach out and all of the people that will used to send me video, the people that will still send me video. You see what I say? Everybody where they make the page so great and make it be something where, you know what I mean, everybody must know that it gone, including myself. Thank you. But people, let's get into Spice story. So Spice and Magnum is giving away 1 million Jamaican dollar. So me have the live with her and she could talk and explain. So take a listen to what Spice have to say. Here goes.
Somebody says Spice love you from Nigeria. Nigeria big up on yourself. Oh. Nigeria big up on yourself. Right there, so it there. The food ready? No, I have to check on the food. Yeah, food ready. Anyway, bestie, I'm just checking in with you guys to let you know that it's official. I'm giving away 1 million Jamaican dollars to the baddest go down there whiner. So I don't want nobody miss it. If you know anybody where you know deserve to win. Now, this will be, I wanted to give one person, but Magnum wants to share it for 3 persons. So I guess we are going to give the winner $500,000. And the second place, 300,000, and then the first place winner, 200,000. I think so, something like that. The third place. But I don't want to miss out on this. So if you know so you can't wine and you need so good, it's okay. Maybe you know somebody who can tag and make them win that something here. Because I'm giving away $1 million to the baddest go down. Play song on TV, find song. But I wine and go down for them little bits. Because maybe me can enter. Me find out if me can enter the competition and win my own money. Because some of that joke, I don't really understand what I want. Yeah. Big up my hairstylist, Shan. Flawlessly fabulous. She colored, style, installed this wig right there, so. One like she shine and him something there. I'm tell her no joke something. That's something I sit on pan scalp. And of course my MUA right there, so. Yeah. The big top MUA, yes. Shan, stylist in a corner with mask, right there, so. Adrian, road manager, is here. Big up the big top road manager. But not like Adrian, I can't live without you. I stress you right through. I stress you out. But we could talk about $1 million here with Magnum at you. We could talk about 1 million Jamaican dollar with Magnum at you. Baddest whiner.
So while Spice I go down there on the screen right now, I go explain the rules of the competition. And we know that Spice get the check from Magnum already, right? It's presented to her and she post the picture and she put this in the caption and she say, besties, tag every dancer below and let's see who can win this go down the dance competition. Here's a chance to win a share of 1 million Jamaican dollars. Hashtag take charge of things. How to enter. Post a video of yourself doing the Magnum Go Down the Dance Challenge incorporating Magnum Tonic Wine. Tag and follow at Magnum Tonic Wine. At Magnum Tonic Wine win it at Spice Official. Use the hashtag Magnum Go Down the Challenge. Top 10 entries will be shortlisted by at Spice Official and reposted on her page. Submission ends June 10th. So now have up till June 10th for enter, right? Then it continues and says first, second, and third place winners will be selected by at Spice Official and at Magnum Tonic Wine representatives based on talent, originality, and visibility availability of Magnum tonic wine in dance. Open to persons in Jamaica and other Caribbean territories. Must be 18 years or older to enter. Not to be shared with anyone under the legal drinking age. So when you hear that 18 and up, it never specify if a male and female, you know what I mean, cannot enter. Because, you know what I mean, you can do a dance, a man and a woman and then Magnum and thing. And I guess you can do it like that. I don't know. But it never say like a woman only, what me I say. You know what I mean? If you don't get what me I say. So people, when you gear up, you know what I mean? The man them will love dance to the woman them and know so they can win this money. When you get in, you know what I mean? Get in motion, I wanna go feed. Now Spice I call out another artist. And I'm not gonna tell you no who she call out. I just go play the video and make you hear who she call out and say come test her and go down the challenge. So take a listen to who Spice attack. Here goes.
Jada Kingdom, what trouble it busy? We're ready for you, Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom, we're ready for you anywhere you're there. I told me to run up and down with the rest from what you yeah. Jada, come talk to me, Jada Kingdom. Yeah. Jada Kingdom, we're ready for you, baby. $1 million we are giving for the baddest go down the wine. Talk a girl want to think better than me right now. My ass, we're ready to take one right now. Watch Batty right there, so. It must be crazy. May I get the makeup artist Ellen here? May I sweat off the whole of the makeup here? She have to go wipe it off. She have to go wipe it off and come again. Tag somebody who want to think better than me. Make them join right now. I'm ready for now. Sing again. Hold on. I'm an idiot, you know. When the song come out, my knee never so strong. When the song just come out, my knee never so strong. So you know what I do? I take my time out and practice. Yeah, right. I'm ready for now. I'm ready for now. Outside boss in the head up. I say, if a girl bad join me for my life now. Cookie, am I ramp with? You know.
Yes, so if any dancer listening, you know what I mean, may I say like male or female, me not encourage no man to go wind up themselves to try to win the money. And that me I say. Don't get me wrong, you see what I say. Dance with a woman and it want to go win the money. You see what I deal with. So people, let me know what you think. When you think that Jada could have taken Spice, or you think could have win, you know what I mean? Mama Evie versus the Queen, or it would have go. When you tell me down in the comment section. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody wanna big up on yourself. If you're not gonna enter this competition, make sure you understand the rules. So would I encourage you to go up on Spice page and look under the post and see how it go one more time for yourself. And then finally just tell me if you win a part of the money like how she explained it. First place about 500,000 or something like that. You see what I say? And the second place, then it break down. Just tell me what you would I do with the money. So alright, take care.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.